Are you ready to discover the latest Towbar inventions on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best Towbar inventions of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Dual Can Receiver Garbage Hauling Hitch. The Dual Can Receiver Garbage Hauling Hitch is a practical and innovative accessory designed for efficiently transporting garbage cans. This hitch attaches to the receiver of a vehicle, enabling users to haul two garbage cans simultaneously. It is particularly useful for homeowners who need to transport their waste bins to a distant collection point, or for those living in rural areas where waste collection points may be far from the residence. Key features: Dual can capacity. The hitch is engineered to securely hold and transport two standard-sized garbage cans, streamlining the waste management process. Durability. Constructed from high-quality, heavy-duty materials, this hitch is built to withstand regular use and the weight of full garbage cans. Ease of use. The design includes features that make attaching and detaching garbage cans straightforward, reducing the effort required for hauling. Product 2. Product name: Way-Safe Adjustable Trailer Hitch Ball Mount. The Way-Safe Adjustable Trailer Hitch Ball Mount is a premium, heavy-duty hitch designed to enhance towing safety and efficiency. It features a 6-inch adjustable drop, making it suitable for various towing setups. This model is specifically designed for a 2.5-inch receiver, providing a secure and adaptable connection for different types of trailers. Key features: Adjustable drop. The 6-inch adjustable drop allows for versatile towing configurations, accommodating different trailer heights to ensure a level tow, which is crucial for safety and handling. Premium construction. Made from high-quality aluminum, the hitch is both lightweight and durable. The material is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity even in harsh weather conditions. Stainless steel toe balls. The hitch comes with stainless steel toe balls, which offer superior strength and durability. Stainless steel resists corrosion and wear, providing reliable performance over time. Product 3. Product name: Maxhaul 70067 Trailer Hitch. The Maxhaul 70067 trailer hitch is a versatile and durable towing accessory designed to accommodate a variety of towing needs. This 8-position adjustable ball mount tow hitch stands out for its robust construction and substantial towing capacity, making it an essential tool for those who frequently tow trailers, boats, or other heavy loads. Key features: 8-position adjustability. The hitch offers 8 different positions, allowing for precise height adjustments to ensure level towing. This feature enhances safety and ease of towing by enabling users to match the height of their trailer to their vehicle accurately. High towing capacity. With a gross trailer weight (GTW) capacity of 5,000 pounds, the Maxhaul 70067 is suitable for a wide range of towing applications. This makes it ideal for use with medium-sized trailers, utility trailers, and other equipment. Durable construction. Built to withstand the rigors of regular towing, the Maxhaul 70067 is constructed from high-strength steel. This ensures longevity and reliable performance even under heavy use. Product 4. Product name: Autobots Tow Hitch Receiver 2. The Autobots Tow Hitch Receiver 2-inch is a heavy-duty towing accessory designed for vehicle recovery and off-road applications. It boasts an impressive brake strength of 45,000 pounds, ensuring robust performance in demanding conditions. This receiver includes a 5/8 screw pin and a 3/4 shackle, providing secure and reliable connections for towing operations. The durable black finish enhances its resistance to corrosion and wear, making it a long-lasting addition to your towing equipment. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts and professionals, the Autobots Tow Hitch Receiver ensures you have a dependable tool for any recovery situation. Product 5. Product name: Rock Tamer's Mudflap System. The Rock Tamer's Mudflap System 00108 is a highly functional and adjustable mudflap system designed for trucks with a 2-inch hitch receiver. This product offers a robust solution for protecting your vehicle and its surroundings from road debris, rocks, and mud, making it an ideal choice for those who frequently drive on off-road terrains or in challenging conditions. Key features: Compatibility. Designed specifically for vehicles with a 2-inch hitch receiver, ensuring a secure and stable attachment. Adjustability. The mud flap system is fully adjustable, allowing users to customize the height and width of the flaps to fit their specific vehicle dimensions and needs. Removability. Easy to install and remove, providing convenience for users who may not always require mud flaps. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who switch between on-road and off-road driving. Product 6. Product name: VivoHome Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Jack. The VivoHome Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Jack is a robust and versatile tool designed to assist in the maintenance and repair of motorcycles, ATVs, and dirt bikes. With a substantial weight capacity of 1,500 pounds, this lift jack is suitable for a variety of heavy-duty tasks. Constructed from high-quality steel, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Key features of the VivoHome Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Jack include: hydraulic mechanism. The lift utilizes a hydraulic system, making it easy to raise and lower vehicles with minimal effort. This feature is particularly beneficial for precise adjustments and securing the vehicle at the desired height. Wheels and handle. Equipped with wheels and a handle, the jack is portable and easy to maneuver, allowing for convenient positioning and storage. Safety and stability. The lift jack is designed with safety in mind, offering a stable platform for your vehicle. Its wide base and solid construction minimize the risk of tipping or instability during use. Product 7. Product name: Tow Dolly Basket Straps with Flat Hook. The Tow Dolly Basket Straps with Flat Hook, specifically the rubber adjustable heavy-duty tow dolly tie-down bonnet will net, are essential accessories for securely transporting vehicles using a tow dolly. These straps are designed to fit a range of tire sizes, making them versatile and suitable for various towing needs. Key features: adjustability. These basket straps are adjustable, accommodating small to large size tires and wheels. This ensures a snug fit and provides the flexibility needed for different vehicles. Heavy-duty construction. Made from robust materials, these straps are built to withstand the rigors of towing. The heavy-duty design ensures durability and reliability, offering peace of mind during transport. Flat hook design. The flat hook allows for easy attachment to the tow dolly. This design ensures a secure connection, reducing the risk of the vehicle shifting or coming loose during transit. Bonnet will net. The bonnet-style design provides a secure enclosure around the tires, preventing slippage and ensuring that the vehicle remains firmly in place.